Hello and welcome to episode 101. I'm your host Jimster Gaming and I'm playing OTTD on a huge Europe map. So welcome to another Megalomaniac weekend episode. The first Sunday one of the type. So in this episode we are going to get some engineering supplies moving. And that's kind of important. So first of all, I'm going to put this one in here and one in here. Why? Because it's going to help the throughput a little bit. Because it means that the trains can leave slightly earlier, and that might have a good impact on other possible issues. So I'm just putting these in everywhere. Outgoing, just to improve things a little bit, see if it gets better. If it doesn't, well, it didn't really cost anything, did it? So let's just do that. Good. So first out is a line to Nancy. We already have a line to Nancy. See, Nancy is here. So we already have line to this one, I believe, and I think it comes from Cologne. Yes, it does, which means we have to change the name on that one. Collapse all. Let's see, to Cologne A. Done. Because we need to get something here as well, and in order to get it there we'll have to deliver it here, I believe, and just use the same solution. So it doesn't matter really where it comes in, it doesn't matter at all. So let's just get the line set up. So let's start over in Cologne, and again do the same type of train. Engineering supplies, 2 of those and 1 of those and 1 of those, just to make it a little bit different. Make sure it's engineering supplies. It is. And let's just get cracking here. Because there is 3 trains that are going to show up here rather soon. That carries engineering supplies to fill up, because the production just doesn't work as it should yet. You can actually bring it through here. I'm not sure if that's a better deal, but that's the way it is for the moment. That means 1 more train on this line and 1 less on the other line. And just bring it in here. Transfer is important to remember. We're going to see some issues. And then get the same way back. There's just so many of these waypoints around here, which is good, but it has some issues sometimes. Done. Then we need to extend this line. So from here on we need to extend down to Besançon, and I've looked at it and decided to have the station here. And that means I need to do this, and let's put, that was not a great place, let's put 1 here then, and 1 down there. That would work. I need to have 4 in size. We have the length. We need just to shave a little bit off that hill there, and done. Put Canadian platforms on. There we go. Besançon. Done. And I would also like to put Mulhouse in, because we are going to get close there somewhere as well. So let's put on one of these there, and the second one down here. Done. And oh, sorry, I need to fix the station first. Yes, we don't miss out on that. And Mulhouse, or I don't know what it's called in German. Mühlhausen, maybe. And bring this one up there. Connect and connect. This one will be weird, but whatever. If they build weird, then, well, what can you do? Let's remove this one for now. Bring it up there and bring this one up there. Great. Yes, that should be fine. And just put these on, so no AI comes up with the idea to actually build something there, which wouldn't be preferable. Because going out from Mulhouse, we need to do this. And bring this over, and bring this one over as well. Yes, so what I need to do here is to get through these stuff. So this one needs to really get down here, I guess. To keep building long of these long pieces of this type of track, but whatever. And bring it there. Continue over here, do it again. Because I need to get down to Besançon, which I believe will have a connection towards Switzerland as well, maybe. So I'm going to plan for it anyway. So let's put this together there, and then shave a lot of hillside here to get this one through, and connect it up here then. Good. And let's remove this one because we don't want that one. Perfect. And this one will scoot out in this place. Let me see. So let's bring this one up there then. And I'm going to do that. So I can get here, right? And we'll tunnel through. But this is not all, because we need to connect these two as well, which will be a little bit more complicated, because this will work as a north-south line. So let's see where we are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is there. Good. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is there. Come on. So that means we should bring these out here. Should bring them one step further away, so they fit for the other side as well, because they will never need to get there. Oh, they don't need to go there, that's right. Which means I can do it this way without causing issues, because this one will turn that way and this one will come in there. Yeah, that's perfect. Good. If we have 9, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, we do. Because then we can just do that. Fix these so we can build a tunnel anyway. Build a tunnel there and a tunnel there. And directly when coming out of the tunnel, just scoot off in this direction. Should work just fine. And that means we can move this one there. Put one there. Remove something on here, and we have something there, and we now have something there as well. Great stuff. And just bring this one up. Oh, let me see, where do we end up there? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. No, we don't want to do that. I'd like to get over in this direction first. That should be enough, right? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 8 free there, which is great. Put this one on and arrange for that one to connect. I believe that's a fertilizer plant, right? It sure is. Mulus fertilizer plant. Let's bring this one over there and change direction, bring it out here and then bring it north. North we go again. Yes, because we need to connect this one. So my thought was to bring this one. Oh, I don't need to bring it there actually. I can bring it here, which means I have a little bit more room to play with for this one. I'm just not very good with these. Need to use it all at once. I'm too stupid to understand those. Let's do that. And oh yeah, we can pass. Perfect. So we'll need a connection here, and my suggestion is actually to do this, because we should have room for it. Just need to do this as well, of course. There we go, and here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. That means we can definitely connect that one. And then we just need to pass the thing here. So this steel mill is a little bit difficult. We need to have 8, which is there. I'm going to put 9 more, which is there. Good. Put that one on. Connect the steel mill. The reason being that there will just be a lot of traffic to and from the steel mill, so it's better to have it on its own little branch line thingy here. 6, 7, 8, 9. There and there and there. Bring this one up. Bring this one over. And put the station on. I hope that we have room for a station in this video. Good. So let's put on the Oh, I will do one of these funny fixtures first. I believe it is this one. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No, we didn't go. Okay. Duh. I just checked and I thought I had checked that non-C wasn't there. They were. Okay, let's put on something else then. Let's put on one here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I can't do that. Okay. But I can do it there. Right? Yes, I can. Okay. So let's remove this one. And remove this one. And redo this thingy. And do it on this side. Yes, which means let's do that. And was this one? No, it was this one. That. And on this one, put on these mineral loaders, and then have a couple of fixtures there, and one of these that will bring us down again. Done and dusted, which means that the depot will be there. Not that it matters, but anyway. So let's put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Good. And these needs to connect as well. There we go. And bring them in. Great. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Just to avoid any issues. Put these on. And here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's fine. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And from this side have these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Good. So that means we have signaled up this piece at least a little bit, which should be enough for the current traffic. We have a signal there. Good. Yes. So let's get these connected then. So oh, we just put this one on, right? Put this one on, but I never put this one on, did I? No. Okay. So that needs to be fixed first. Since I can't do anything that fits for engineering supplies, we'll just put one of these on. Oh, this one takes 15 only, don't want that. This one takes 16, doesn't help much. New. I don't like these, but I don't have a choice. This one takes 30, that's great. Perfect, and let's do engineering supplies. Well, I do have a choice, I could take 2 of the other ones. Or maybe it's actually enough with one that do 15, but needs to go really many times back and forth, and I'm not sure that there is an option to actually get the throughput needed that way. So let's get this one moving. Yes. So we have this one, Mulhouse Quarry. So let's put a station on here. Go connected, and again need a train coming in from Köln. So I'm just going to clone it, clone this one without holding control. The problem is that we are probably going somewhere else, aren't we? We could actually go that way with this train as well. We could definitely go this way. But I'm going to put on a waypoint here. Not sure if that's a good place for it, but whatever, delete and put this waypoint on and bring it into Mulhouse and through the waypoint on the way back. Done. Then we need to get to Besançon. And in Besançon it's the coal mine that we need to connect, and that coal mine is going to be on a different line, I believe, because let me see, we need to get one from Neuchâtel. Just thinking, which is a rather slow process in my case. So we have a house, we have a street, and we have a house, and we have a station. This is going to be expensive. Oh, I don't need to do that actually. Let's just not build the station for now. We just know where it is for future reference. So let's just do this, because that should definitely be outside town, right? Yes. Because I need to have a nice and straight piece of track here, because there's nothing in the way. And just bring it off this one here, which is great. What I need to do now is try to get this to work out. So let's first at least help them out a little bit. I forgot to remove this street. Should have been removed, but whatever. Can bring one down there, one here, this one over there, and this one a little bit longer out, further out. Done. And this one, of course. This one, of course. Good. And let's remove this hump in the middle of the way, middle of the station area, and this one over, and bring this one over, and get them connected up. This one needs to go down and it should pass through this little valley thing, is my idea. Anyway, and connect. I need to redo this, I think, because this one will come in here, right? It's not optimal. So let's remove a little bit of the edge there. Good. Let's scoot these over. Perfect. And see how we fix this. I think we'll do that, right? And get over there, get over there, continue north, and we can connect this one there. Perfect. Yeah, that means we are totally connected. And here, using 9 is way too short for this one. Using 18 is not great either. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's what we have to do. And down. So that's where 18 is. Let's bring this one down as well then. And put on a signal there, connect. this one continues, do that. There's a lot of small pieces that needs to fit together. So let's bring this one 4 up, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Good, and do that. That wasn't the right place. So this was what I had planned, so let's do that. Bring it up. So from this side there should be room for it, right? 8 is there, perfect. There we go. The missing signal on, and we are good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is really bad. Let's do that. I'm not sure how often tracks in real life are lowered just because it doesn't fit with well with the signal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I bet it happens all the time, or maybe not. Let's put signals on there and here and there, and incoming ones here, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Good. That should do for now. Let's just put these on as well then. 2 outgoing and 2 outgoing in that direction. Perfect. Do we need a waypoint? Probably do. So let's put a nice one. I can use one of these actually. Can't use those much. So again from Cologne, clone that one and don't go to Mulhouse Quarry, delete, and instead continue south there into the station and pause there again. Good, one more built. Next up is Siegen, and Siegen is not very far from Cologne. That's this one. It does almost not make any sense to have a train going to, but whatever. So let's clone this one and let's make sure that they don't have timetable stuff. Oh, they don't. Okay, great. Just remove all of these. 5. And bring it in there. Done. And when it comes back, it needs to wait for 60 days. Because it should not take even 30 days to go back and forth. I guess. Change time. 60 days. Because otherwise this one will just deplete stock that builds up. That doesn't make any sense. So Siegen done. Then we need to get one to Saarbrücken, which is this one, I guess. Do we have anything else in Saarbrücken? The Luxembourg one. No, don't think so. It's only this one. Sorry, this one. So let's bring it over there then. And that one also needs to be, at least that needs to be 45 days, I guess. Clone that one. Move. Siegen. Delete. Go through this one. There. And back. So when this starts working, there will be an issue with this single track line, but we'll fix that. And change the waiting time from 60 to 45. Done. Perfect. And that finishes the build for engineering supplies from Cologne. Next thing out is to fix with this one, because this one is starting to pile up with scrap metal, which is good or bad, whatever you prefer. I think this one is sending stuff to 4 different places, which means it's shipping, if it had been shipping at full, it's shipping 500. So that means 100 to each and every one. So I need to figure out, I don't know how much time it takes. I can get through here actually. Am I allowed to send a meteor through here? It doesn't have a bridge issue, but I think it's too wide, to be honest. Which means I need to widen this one at an enormous cost. Duh, that was expensive. Anyway, let's put this one. No, let's put this one on. There we go. And on this side we have even more to remove. But that's done, which means we now have a canal that we can use with larger ships than the smallest. At least. Done. Look at that. So that means let's put on a waypoint here, just so they get where they are going, and one up in the canal, and the same on this side. So one on this side of the canal, and one just at the entrance from the canal. That should work. Good. So let's see, we have it there. Okay, good. So let's find a meteor. We are going to ship scrap metal. So let's put a meteor on. We have one. And the problem is it needs to come once a month, which ain't that easy. Scrap metal, full load. And no, it needs to just go by these buoys because it sails on the inside of the aisles. I'm not sure that was a great idea. But whatever. That's the way it ended up. So let's do that and that here, through the canal, out on the other side, now in the Baltics, and we're going to Helsingborg. I'm not sure, is this one easier or that one easier? Let's just take the same route as everyone else. Most of them are going up through the Sound, so let's do that. Puttgarden, Rostock, Stralsund, Malmö, and another Malmö, and Helsingborg. So let's bring it up there and there. Good, and then just do the same way back. So I don't know how many I need to put on here, but I think that will do 4. I'll try to space them out. So I'll do 1 at Helsingborg, and I'm going to make 2 at the halfway point, which I'm not sure if it's on the Baltic or on the North Sea side, but we'll see. Because I have one of these here, but that might not be the best thing to do. Done, and oh yeah, I thought it was here, but it's actually the next little bay, and down to the depot. Good. So where do we have the halfway point between these two? So let's see. We have a halfway point. I think the halfway point is just on the Baltic side, to be honest, because it has a little bit of a trip around there afterwards. So, oh, we don't have one in Kiel. I thought we had one in Kiel. Okay, so let's put in a depot on this side here then, like that. Or I'm going to clone two of these. So 601 will start at number 14. Good. 602 will start at number 34. There. And let's start these up. That one as well. And then we'll start one up here as well. Come on. Clone. Open. And it will start at number 25. Good. Here we go. Another thing we need to fix here later on, or rather soon to be honest, is to get the last connection. So from Zwolle we also need to get a connection to Osnabrück, which is here, which is something I'm going to work on as well, and that will have to be in the next episode, I guess. Can I put this one on, or is the train in the way? I could put that on. Okay, great. Perfect. So that's what we're going to start next time. So see you in a couple of hours, because there are more Megalomaniac Sunday or weekend episodes coming. So until then, have fun and thank you for watching.